guys, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Happy St. Patty's Day to everybody. Hopefully you guys are safe, not getting too drunk. But definitely check these guys out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. So let's see what's inside. And like I said, if you like this item, just add it to your cart and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. So here we go, guys. Ooh. Smart LED Starry light projector. Works with Alexa. LB4. Who is this coming from? This is voice control, brightness adjustment, app control, screen position, schedule control, laser emission, balloon. Oh, that's gonna be cool. Kind of like, you got some dinosaur animals there, elephants. You got the universe, the Starry. Ooh, spaceship. I need to get a spaceship. Maybe one day. But here we go, guys. Let's see what's inside and how does this work. Map. Okay. Got the USB cable. Got the twisty ties. I'm going to have to go downstairs in the basement because it's still bright. Really nice day out here where I'm at. So, hey, got the plug. Give it the power. You could probably take that outside. Use the power banks, solar banks. That's a standard kind. Okay. Oh, these kind. They got a little disc. There's a spaceship one. There's this one. Planets. And there's this little guy. Empty. So we're going to set this thing up. Oh, this looks nice. Really impressed. It's kind of look like a disc or a movie projector. So, laser thingy. I'll take that off last. Let's take a look and see what this thing does. Tracking. Oh. Alright, that was easy. I'll do something. Try this one. Actually, we'll do the planets. This lamp. Oh. Oh, there's film. A little pull tab. Make sure you remove that. Here we go. Yep, see this little tab. Okay. There you go. Alright, so probably set it up like that way. Here's the buttons. Let me see, I'm gonna have to grab my other phone and download the app. Be right back. Day to do. Guys, we got it plugged in. Got the app downloaded. Good to go. Just gotta add device. Should be lighting. Star projector. Okay, so it's gonna ask you password and all that. Let me connect to my 2.4 and then enter the password. Okay, it's gonna ask you to confirm. It is blinking. Alright, give me 1 sec. Alright guys, once you add the device, it's going to go like this. It's going to pop up. That's working. It should take a few seconds. There it goes. Boom, we're in. It's going to pop up. Smart light. Night light. And here we go. You can make it brighter. Like I said, we're going to go downstairs. You can see the blue dots, but we'll check it out darker. And you can add a scene. Oh, so you can have your like take photo, choose from a library. So you can do like a mini family thing. Projector. Oop. Okay, dimmer. Setting, LED, breathe mode. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we are downstairs. Look at that. That is really cool. Like I said, you can use the app. Set a dim laser. You can have that off, and that looks like way cooler. And like I said, you can switch the slide projectors or add photos of you, your family, your dogs, your cats, and then project it off that. So that is really cool though. It's like, whoa, we're going into a new dimension. Here we go. That is crazy. Here we go. All the way up. And then breathe mode. Whoa. I'm liking this. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Like I said, I'll leave my link down below. And you can get one of these. Look at the lasers. Don't stare at the laser. You might get some eye damage. Be careful. But definitely really cool. It covers a pretty good amount. And like I said, it's still early. But it's still pretty dark down here. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day. See ya.